light! Take the light of my eye! Take it out! Take it out! I don't like it! Get that light!
Where's Tracy?
My God! He is going to shit tomorrow.
Over there ignoring.
You're going to hell tomorrow. Ron, you're going to hell tomorrow.
Y'all wanna?
Lift up straight.
Oh God, I'm glad your children aren't here.
Me too.
Oh. Robert, this is all your fault.
What did I do?
He's only been like 3 times in our marriage he's been like this. You've been there all 3 times.
What does that make you happy too?
Was he down the hell?
Yeah, fuck you. Such Bessie's dear.
What are y'all drinking?
Oh shit.
We want some of that good stuff.
Look at the tears.
They're drinking
Don't do that shit to me. Some bad good. Robert, what?
Help him.
Tiger!
Noisy kitty.
I see you now.
I'm not even videoing you, dumbass. I'm videoing Robert. The light ain't even flashing at you.
Well, goddamn, why is it my eyes? Robert, goddamn, where's he at?
Oh, there's a light. There's a light. Oh,
Remember that light on Cocoon? We gotta go get in the pool, man. We gotta get in the pool.
backflips.
No.
Backflips for both of
That's
y'all.
not recording y'all.
Backflips for both of y'all.
No. Ron, wipe your face.
I can't do it again. Told you. Right on. I can't do it. I gotta have done my own one.
Did you lick your fingers to wipe his face?
She licked her fingers to wipe it.
Oh, God, yeah.
God damn. I still wiping my face.
Ronnie. Here.
No, let Ronald drink.
No.
Ronnie.
Carol.
Surprise, surprise. It's your birthday.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Sounds like Mr. Bill.
You're not talking about Mr. Bill way back when,
Oh
no, way back when.
Birthday!
Mr. Hill, what's the guy's name?
Hill.
Benny Hill.
No, that's Mr. Bill show on
Did
Saturday
y'all ever
Night
watch
Live.
Benny Hill?
no. I did.
Yeah, I did. I watched the girls running around in their panties. Yeah, that was my favorite show back then. No, Benny Hill. Benny Hill. The girls were running around.
Benny Hill. Y'all only watched it to get glimpses of titties.
He never talked.
He didn't have to. They did all the talking for him.
But he can make those eyebrows go way up.
Do it, Ron. Make your eyebrows go way up.
No, Benny Hill's good.
Wait, do it without throwing your neck out.
The Benny Hill show would raise your eyebrows. Because we did see boobies on there. And you know one time I seen Loretta Swit's boobies on Nash.
Ew.
No, that's when she was young.
Yeah, but still, I just picture them being ugly.
They weren't.
Like really dark, nippy.
I was young and they weren't ugly.
Oh, I got you.
Boobies.
Well, they were boobies.
Rodney is like blind to everything.
All men aren't. Boobs are boobs. It doesn't matter what they're attached
Everything
to.
looks good to them, whether they're 50 or 20. They all look good.
That's a good show up here.
I've been watching.